Introducing Simfi Biodegradable Bags, the eco-friendly solution for all your carrying needs. Made from cornstarch and other natural materials, these bags are 100% compostable and break down within months.
Unlike plastic bags, which pollute our oceans and soil, Simfi bags leave no toxic residue. They decompose naturally, enriching the soil and supporting a sustainable environment.
Our innovative manufacturing process ensures that each Simfi bag is food-grade, safe, and durable, perfect for groceries, picnics, or any day-to-day use.
Plastic bags harm marine life, clog waterways, and take hundreds of years to degrade. This pollution impacts our health and the planet's ecosystems.
Choose Simfi Biodegradable Bags and make a positive impact. Protect your family's health and preserve the environment for future generations.
Simfi, where sustainability meets convenience. Switch to Simfi Biodegradable Bags today, and let's carry the future together. Click the link in bio.